Today in the soybean market, it was a little bit lower. Brazil's harvest is really ahead of schedule, and right now there's 76% complete, and that's above the average of 70%. Today, kind of quiet trade a little bit, but that's slowing the participation into the market. The tariff issues are still on the minds of a lot of traders, and we're wondering if the president is actually going to get something done on this. Now, in Washington today, they were supposed to be meeting, but we haven't heard anything during the trading hours. We're hoping that maybe we'll hear something, that there might be some movement in the right direction, and that is basically just kind of finding a resolution for this U.S.-China tariff war. Corn was also steady, maybe because of that as well. The USMC trade deal, which was the NAFTA deal, is still not in place right now. And so that uncertainty with that deal has the market just kind of on hold, and it's very difficult to see what will happen. Also, if the president does block up the southern border, that's going to create some real turmoil for corn trade right now, and that can definitely really kind of shake up the corn prices, or the futures prices for that matter. And we're just kind of waiting to see if we're going to get any other information out of the flooding issues that we had, and to see if there's any changes in the acreage numbers. I know that it's going to the information is just going to piecemeal when it comes out, so we're going to watch that closely. Now, as wheat today, it was up somewhat, so it was rising. Some of the managed funds are kind of buying a little bit. They're underpinning those prices. The commercials and the funds are trying to negotiate price back and forth to roll their positions forward, because first notice day is going to be upon us before we know it. It doesn't really come to the end of the month. But there's going to be like a back and forth a little bit with those position changes, and at some point something's got to give, and we'll see what happens there, because right now the demand or the exports are kind of just pretty steady right now, not giving like much rise to the market. And with this border issue, it's basically putting a lid on any kind of idea that there's going to be a rally in the grains at all. So we're going to watch that day to day.